Massive greetings in the name of the Most High. This is Daddy Reddss for Daddy Reddss Promotions, and this is Talking News. In this episode, Miss Kitty gets down wickedly. Boy, the brother said what he had to say. And let me see what else I'm going to put in this. Thieves caught in Jamaica, and one so-called pastor shaving the women's privates in his church. Wow, you know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Show that you care. Talking News is here. All right, in this first clip, it's quick. Miss Kitty, they said that she said, nobody can even chat to her if they don't take the vaccine and this and that. And the brother took offense to that. So here's his point of view.
What if people don't take the vaccine and cannot talk to you? And you not talk to the anti-vaccine people? Miss Kitty, move your ugly bum buck, lad. Cause you curse. Remember you fucking curse. Your mother never own you. Your father not own you. See? You curse, Miss Kitty. Your home curse. You can't have no pitney. You can't hold no man. You take people man and then still not steal you. You buy a car, give man then still not steal you. But you disrespect blood clot people, but if we not take...
John, no. Me not touch that one. Every man have a right to their own opinion, and every woman have a right to their own opinion. That's all I can say. I have no opinion. I'm unbiased. Journalism today. I'll try. All right, this next clip, when you look at this, which one should I put up? Okay, I'm going to put this one up because this is too outrageous. This is supposed to be a church, and this guy... Sorry, I'm biased. The opinion has to go right now. This guy I want John Crow and the woman them too. Everybody in there nasty. Them curse. Take a look at this.
You're ready. Set your way to piano. Wow, one out there roll pants. Mem perceive the pop one thing. Now go for the cassette. Was off one in the road where your pants. Mem penisa. What you say? It's why I want back. Oh, roll pants. No, so for penny. May you what I asked the amount. Hallelujah. Amen. It is said na make am Leviticus and Samuel. Said you kan no. Was it ya no muatia no. Why ya dey wanyi no hunwi. No nyare. Let after we say no direction we say me say you hunwi ni na wia. Me answer for penny ni ko dware. Now muate. Amen. What you say? Say ya ma we say so for me tina wona say me yes that direction we ya. Em go for say and one free nyame, and one free nyame. Na mo me say me free nyame na me free no man. I'm not saying if you're panting. Yeah, woman, sisters, and some way say, or because I said, we are training. And now, so for me, see, and you are preaching the woman, put yourself, and your friends, yes, so what as mine. More preaching the woman, put yourself, and so for me, free me, not one try, and free me, one, me, some past someone, yeah, been to know everyone can tell me. Now, me, woman, now, me, I don't was running, now, what will be? Debut. If one free and what if one free woman and also food. Sorry, I somewhere with you, and with you. Bible can't some money more you know now better to film. What's the man was of 1 hour when I to film. Money more you I didn't know when I want to do. Amen. Amen. I want Jennifer with the other man. The free that you create. Ye dia Dominica siya na brauso. Nyakopo throw siyo. No nyoke siya. Kwenda kwa diye. Aduminti amen. Amen. This is the dad so for me was mami try transportation. When the man say one kwa da man train. Yeni sawa. Wakoko da one money ya ni da ka yen twa ka. No be catch so for me man kwa yi. E di hunu kwa dia bomo Many are brave. What did you say? I am a father. Me, you, me, what I can answer me. Come on, penny, I was not a million days with me. So I don't know what you got to come on. I'm not telling you what coming. What phone to the ground? What be a phone that we have? What be a phone that we have? Sorry, I'm getting here.
What type of dirty, nasty people? Come on. They don't even respect themselves or anything. That's crazy. All right, in the last clip, matter of fact, I had another one I should put, but now I'll put that one. Let's just put this one. Okay. Yeah, thieves were caught in Jamaica the other day. Should I say gunmen were caught in Jamaica the other day, and I'll show a little bit of that clip. And then, hold on, look at this.
What up your face? What up your face? Yeah, tell her what up your face.
What up your head? We'll get a good face. Turn around. Don't look. Yeah, man. Shop.
What up your head?
No, man.
Yeah, okay.
One. That's him. For him here.
Christopher Anthony Campbell.
No man, it's Campbell. Give me a Campbell.
Go. Perfect.
Give me a Campbell. It's a right Campbell. So you start with right Campbell. Christopher Anthony Campbell. Right Campbell.
Which one you say, Campbell?
So you might want to pick him out. Now look at the one. Smith and Wesson, Springfield.
Where do you come from? You can't see it, you. You go to come from?
Springfield.
Where do you come from?
Model SW9V.
Smith and Wesson, no?
Springfield. Springfield. Model? No, model SW9V. I'll put the serial number.
Sir.
That's the serial number.
Model what? S1?
SW.
Serial number.
Yeah, I'm sure. SW9V. So, serial number PAN 0920.
PAN 0
920. And the color, how do you call this? Brown?
Cream.
or beige?
Tan. Tan is better.
Oh, this is a bit
Well, no.
beige.
Maybe get filter.
That be tan.
Tan and silver. Or what do you call this? Silver.
Chrome.
Chrome. Tan and chrome. And put silver in a black. There's sorry. Tan.
CHROM.
Knock off all of them together.
Okay.
Don't move, don't move, don't move, don't move.
Let me tell you what's wrong. Let me tell you what's wrong with it. Let me tell you what's wrong. Yeah, man. Give me my back pocket, because you're not funny. Give me my back pocket. Okay. No, man, the other one. Oh, side pocket, side. 7-9 rounds. With this crispy from one magazine.
No, take the picture of this.
One magazine containing. One magazine
Call back
containing
on.
7,
Mark it.
9, 11 rounds.
Call back. You better try
No,
call
no,
back.
scratch him, scratch. You can't really search him a bit. Search him already, but you can't search him a bit. You can't search him a bit.
You know, you're joking. This is one boy, you're not joking.
So look at the camera. Alright. See the one that you're making now, Mr. D?
My phone not to the one.
Which one? This?
Yeah, man. This one round, that one.
No, that's a different one. Alright, now. What do you nigga want? What do you name you time, nigga?
PJ, Melo.
Alright. You load now.
I don't back on your face. Hold it. I don't back on your face. Yeah, you can't move.
Ready?
PJ.
Yeah. You're Bryson, no, brother. Read a serial number here for me. It's a picture Beretta. CJ Melo. Picture.
That's sure.
CJ, hold on. Let me just read something for this.
is a picture Barretta. I just see it a while ago. Yeah, see it.
God, this should look like the
Alright.
Taurus.
Alright. Just put P Barretta. We can research it. Because we always see P Barretta. And it should look like garden. So, but when you go down, you can pull it up. You'll have to pull it up. The serial number, the right just. You see the serial number, the right hand. See it, look here, sir. You can see it on the right here, sir. If you take a picture, you're supposed to can zoom it. Black, the color are black. Count this here, let me make sure. Count, we get 40, it's over 40.
4, 5,
One magazine containing 14,
10, 11,
live 9,
14. Oh, one dagger.
15 is I think, 15.
One of them.
Yeah man, I'll give this box. For the station, so when I call sometimes I just need for this call early. That's all.
Which one is
See the boy my belly start and from my belly actually I know it's but leave me alone still. Yeah,
Alright, where next one?
you know it. So this is a film phone. This is a food of phone here. Food of phone.
Yeah.
Yes. With the battery.
You mind next one?
Yeah man, I'm here. We never searching back then, yeah? Then back over the stuff. One of them runs still.
One of them run.
They will tell you how. Hey, what's your friend name? Campbell.
No,
Oh?
no.
Your friend name or what?
Oh man.
Where you come from?
But
Same
you
black
said
suit.
you come from. I don't really my friend now then.
You know you're
I
my
just get
The
you.
man up to some shit in idea.
I want to go for some fun. I want to
Really?
know.
Where you live? Yeah, near to you and
You don't know where you live? Where you live?
Address.
Swam, sir.
Eh?
Swam, sir.
That's an address.
Swam?
Yeah.
Soon let you show.
You know what I think, sir?
Yeah man.
Sir? Spider.
Spider. You put on dress.
Oh,
Remember on dress?
a union so.
Which one?
Right on the dress.
Yeah.
You don't want it?
Sir, and I yell come from you, sir.
Where you come from?
Don't worry about that, man.
Jenkins. Which one of them named Jenkins again?
Yes, sir. Andre
I want
Jenkins.
blue shirt.
The last name, sir.
Blue long sleeve t-shirt and blue short blue jeans pants.
In one come from him. One come from
No, them two here.
In two there.
And him have one red slippers. A red slipper, you have Sadi? And Milo that one.
You are born
Come on next. Next.
Can't move with them.
Huh?
Come on, if you remain with them.
You are the commander.
So,
This one.
I mean, what about the situation?
Oh, wait. No, some of them not. But them not whoever. Them see that now.
Oi,
Hey, double
turn on back, man.
Fuck there.
Just like my home, you know.
Oi, stop talking, man.
No, you're nothing from you.
Stop the
Brother, we don't want
talking.
to hear nothing from you.
All right, if you do the crime, you're going to do the time. But you know what they say? Some people out the road keep saying that everything that you see, sometimes it can be manipulated. I don't know if that's true or false for this instance, but I'm just reporting that, all right, people? You know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell to show that you care. And I'm Daddy Reddss, and I'm the reggae ambassador, and I will always cause a musical massacre. Dread out for now. This is Talking News.